In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Ringcentral recordings in the comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're navigating call recordings or meetings on Ringcentral, this guide will take you through each step clearly and thoroughly. We'll start by logging into our account and move all the way through managing your stored recordings. Grab a comfy seat and let's dive in. To begin, you'll need to log into your Ringcentral account. Head over to the official website at ringcentral.com. Enter your credentials, your email and password, and sign in confidently. Having access to your account is essential because it's the gateway to managing various features, including your recordings. Make sure that your login details are correct to prevent any hiccups. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to our recordings. Depending on what you're looking to find, there are two different paths you can take. For call recordings, look over to the left panel and click on Phone. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Recordings. Here, you'll be able to see a list of your recorded calls laid out for you. If you're interested in meeting recordings, you'll instead want to glance at the left side menu and click on Video. Once you've done that, hit Recordings, and you'll find your saved meetings from Ringcentral Video. Now that you've discovered your recordings, the next step is to either play or download them. If you wish to listen to a recorded call or watch a saved meeting, simply click on the recording name or the play icon. This will initiate playback. In the event you need a downloadable copy, look for the download icon, which typically appears as a downward arrow next to the recording. By clicking this icon, you'll prompt a download. If sharing is enabled, you also have the option to distribute the recording via a public link, which can be very handy for team collaborations or project reviews. At this point, you may want to manage, organize, or even delete some of your recordings. To delete one, a straightforward click on the trash icon right next to the recording will remove it. If organizing is your priority, open up the recording's detail page. Here, you'll have the ability to edit its title or place it in a specific folder that suits your filing system. Finally, a quick note on storage duration. If you are on business and MVP plans, your recordings are stored for up to 90 days by default. If you're on an enterprise plan, you've got more flexibility. Your storage can be extended or even unlimited, depending on the settings.